In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily insert the theta symbol into your Microsoft Word document. Whether you're drafting a mathematical paper, scientific report, or just need to use this symbol for any reason, we've got you covered. Let's get started and make this process as simple as possible. First off, you'll want to have your Microsoft Word document open and ready to go. This could be a new document or an existing one where you need to insert your equation. If you don't have Word installed yet, make sure to get that set up beforehand, as it's an essential tool for word processing. Once your document is ready, navigate over to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Here you're going to click on the Insert tab. This area contains all the tools and features you'll need to add various elements into your document, including tables, charts, images, and more importantly, equations. Inside the Insert tab, you're going to look for the Equation option. It's usually represented by a PI symbol or the word equation. Click on it and you'll see a new equation box appear within your document. This box is what allows you to input all sorts of mathematical expressions, so it's a powerful feature to familiarize yourself with. Now that you have the equation box, you'll need to go to the Symbols section. This is usually found in the same area where you inserted the equation. You'll see a variety of symbol options appear, covering everything from basic math to advanced operators. If you scroll through these options, among the basic math symbols, you should see what you're looking for. The theta symbol. Simply click on the theta symbol and voila, it's inserted into your document. At this point, you've successfully added a theta into your file and you're all set to continue with your work. If you have more symbols to include or face any challenges using the equation feature again, feel free to revisit these steps, as they're consistently reliable for inserting a variety of mathematical notations. And there you go, you're done. You've now mastered a handy technique for inserting mathematical symbols into your documents, enhancing their clarity and professionalism. This is particularly useful if you frequently work with scientific or technical documents. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to improve your productivity and document skills. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need assistance with other features in Microsoft Word. Have a great day and happy editing!